Salmon River Canyon. I'm at Killgore's Horseshoe Estates today. This is a gated community with its own private boat ramp. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Come along for the ride. Let's talk about the top 3 things I love about this property. Number 1, it has preliminary septic approval. You're ready to build. Number 2, there is a private boat ramp just around the corner. You can throw your jet boat in, your drift boat, and go fishing. And number 3, this is a gated community. It's private, it's quiet, there's beautiful homes, beautiful views. If you want to take a look for yourself, you know what to do. Call my cell phone, 208-921-0634.